To resize an image without cropping, first let me go into my Uploads tab to bring in the image I want to resize. And if I just spread this image out like this, it's going to crop my image. If I say I want to set it as background, you will see that my image is cropped there, SS is on top and beneath it. To resize this image without cropping, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to detach this from the background. I would go over to position to see the size of my image. I would come over to this add page type here and click it and go over to more and click on custom design. I'm going to add my height and I'm going to add my width. You can see it from here. You see, it's a dimensions must be in a whole number for pixels. I'm just going to round this up to 0.7 to the nearest whole number. And I'll click on create a new page. If I take this image that is here and pull it into the second page here, you will see that the image fits perfectly without me having to do anything. And for me now, I can still edit if I want to edit this image. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to click on share here, download, and I will come over to select page and select the current page I'm working on and click on done to download this image into my device.